Hi guys, I'm Shreya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you a little bit about this new ice cream that has come up in the market called as Unicornetto. It's from Quality Walls. So I'll just open it up and we can see white chocolate disc over it and pink and purple color ice cream. So I'll just dig in and tell you. So yes, it is strawberry. We have white chocolate with berry flavored sprinkles, and the other side is blackcurrant. If you guys enjoy strawberry and blackcurrant or berry flavors, then this ice cream is for you, but not for someone who loves chocolate. And the most adorable part that I found about this ice cream is the cone. It's purple in color. My god, so pretty, and it tastes like a normal cone. I forgot to mention that there is chocolate lining in the cone. That's it for today's video. So I hope you guys would have enjoyed watching this while I enjoyed eating it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye.